Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it is day 23 of my birthday card a day, September 2023. So let's get busy and see what I used to create today's card. Today's card is a special one because it's for my daughter. She will be turning 19 next week, and she is coming home for the weekend to celebrate. So I made her something special. I don't have the stamp set to show you because it is a digital stamp by Krista Smith. I didn't look at the time of the filming this video to see if it was available in her shop on Patreon or not, but I will leave a link to her shop in the description box below. I also used these very old Stampin' Up! Glitter enamel dots. This My Favorite Things little birthday notes. It's such a great set for just those little birthday greetings that you want to use. Some very old My Mind's Eye Lime Twist Life of the Party. I think I used this earlier in the month. I'm not sure. I'm really trying to use up some of these older paper pads. This one is 2011. My favorite dies that I use on almost every card. The My Favorite Things A2 stitched rectangle stack set 1. And then I used this, what is it called? Stitched mini scallop rectangle stacks. And then here is my card for my daughter. I just thought that it was just so pretty, and it reminded me a lot of her as her hair is getting longer, and she loves, well, she went to France. She loves croissants and things like that. So I just thought it was perfect. And then the little greeting set is perfect because it fit right there. Those enamel dots and that fun paper. I kept it pretty simple because my daughter's a very simple, like she wants to live like a minimalistic lifestyle. So I thought that was perfect for her. And then I just put that on the inside. So there is my card for my daughter. I hope that she likes it, and I hope she has a great time being home and on her birthday. In the state of Nebraska, you're not considered a legal adult until you're 19. So I know she's ready for that because it has been challenging for her to be away at college but still need my signature on things. Luckily, she's close enough. But anyways, so I will have 2 adults as my children, which is a very weird concept to think about. This whole getting older, children getting older, watching them grow. It's one of life's greatest things, but it also has a lot of emotion involved. Anyways, I hope you have a great day. I will see you back here tomorrow for day 24. And until then, go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.